nForms or Smart Forms allow you to create or update records in Dynamics NAV using Microsoft Excel. In this example, we have an expense form. We can use Jet Reports in another sheet in Excel, so we can select records from a list, so the nForm is as up-to-date as possible. Here we can add a few lines. nForms can be used to create purchase orders, sales orders, expenses, etc. nForms are a generic tool that a super user can use to map the nForm to NAV data, and all of this is done in a hidden sheet in Excel. Whenever an nForm is processed, an enhanced workflow can be triggered and sent to someone for approval, and drag and drop it onto the role center. Once it has been processed, the document will be opened for us. You'll also notice that an enhanced workflow has been triggered as the related workflows in the enhanced information fact box on the right-hand side displays one record. These could also be requested from Nora, our automated user. If I have the permissions to do this report, I'll be able to request it, fill it out, and email it back to Nora. This will create the record in NAV, and again, we'll go through any enhanced workflows, with the nForm attached and sent to the people who need to respond. Because you don't have to be a user in NAV to request an nForm from Nora, vendors could request an nForm to update the expected receipt date of a purchase order. The possibilities really are endless. If you like what you see, or you have any questions at all of our contact details can be found on our website, www.thenavpeople.com.